So when a new order is placed, it'll come up in this approve section. Right now we just have one that we need to approve. This is where we review it, make sure the artwork is good, we can print it nicely, the due date will work, or if we need to cancel it. But we basically select the order, and we say approve order or invoice, which moves it to the next step. So we checked everything, it looks great. We go back to the dashboard, and now everything is in order. This is basically the 5 steps. So we approve it, then we order the blanks, then we receive the blanks, then we print it, and then we ship it. So once an order has been approved, then we go into the order section. And so, just jumping back, I cleared it out, so I moved everything over, but here, so cleared everything out, so we moved one order from approve to order, and we click on the order, we see we have this order here, and once we've ordered the blank, we can move it as mark as ordered, which means now we're waiting to receive the garments. So now we have it here. Once we receive the garments, we're good to print. So we can select it and move to print. So now we know this order is in the printing stage. And from print, again, once it's printed, so we know this order here has been printed, we're going to move it to shipping. Now this one we haven't actually printed, but we have received the shirt. So we're going to keep it here, but you get the idea to move it to shipping.